Welcome to Stock and Drop. Today we're doing a little something different. We're going to be building a cart to set this bed on. I got to get it off the lift so I can get the truck on the lift so we can get started on the suspension. So this is going to be the first step of the suspension rebuild, air ride system, probably brakes, chassis basically. So we got to get this built. It's not my forte by any means. I am not a woodworker at all, but we're gonna get something put together. Hopefully it'll be sturdy enough to hold this bed. Beds don't weigh too much, so I think we'll be just fine. Yep, let's get with it. So what we're gonna do here, I've measured out, I'm gonna measure out 4 5-foot 2x4s. And I'm gonna have a rail on the top, rail on the bottom. Then I'll have 2 3-foot cross section pieces. I got 2 4x4 posts I'm gonna put on the sides just for a little strength. Got these measured out, I'm gonna get them cut and get this thing together. So we got our cart started. We got it 3 foot across, 5 foot long, and 30 inches high. I figured that'd be plenty. We got some casters I'm gonna put on the bottom so we can roll it around, get the bed out of the way when we need it. It's coming along pretty good. I think it's gonna be plenty sturdy. So let's get finished with it. Well, there it is, finished up. Just cobbled out of some scrap lumber I had. 2x4s, I did use those 2 4x4 posts on the side. Casters came from Harbor Freight. They were like $3-4 a piece. They get 2 swivel on the front, 2 solid on the back, so we'll kind of get it in certain areas, be easier to move around and stuff. So now we're gonna get this bed raised up, get Sunburnt out from under it, and get the bed set on it. Got the cart on there, let's lower her down and see what happens. Well, it feels pretty solid on there. I don't think it's going anywhere. Just give you an idea of what we did on this thing. I wanted to build it long enough to catch those supports, which I achieved that goal. Everything's super solid. Don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. We'll hopefully get started on the suspension very soon. I gotta get this thing out of the way so we can get it back in the shop. Get started on that, and then we got some cleanup to do on the underside of the bed. As you can see, it's not real terrible, but most of it's gonna come off pretty good. A lot of gunk and grime from over the years. Looks like somebody may have undercoated this thing at one time and it's peeling off. We'll get that cleaned up. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave us a comment on what you think of this old truck. We'll catch you on the next one.